Are your bank or credit union loan officers using their LinkedIn accounts to conduct bank business or to promote products or services, but you don't have a policy in place on what they should or should not be doing? Your bank or credit union could get in serious legal trouble. Hi, I'm social media attorney Ethan Wall, and I'm here to talk to you about the legal risks and the right way to protect your bank and credit union when your loan officers or employees are conducting bank business on their individual social media profiles or LinkedIn. Look, as a social media lawyer that serves financial institutions, we get calls about a lot of things. But over the last year, one of the most common questions we have is, hey, Ethan, our mortgage loan officers want to be using their LinkedIn accounts to promote their products, services, homes that are available, or to promote our bank or our credit union. And they're seeing other mortgage loan officers from different financial institutions out there, but we don't know what to do. We're glad that we get those calls because this is a serious issue that is needed to be addressed, whether it's to be competitive from a banking standpoint, but also to mitigate risk from a compliance and legal standpoint. Now, let me explain to you why. You know that there are financial laws and regulations that govern your bank or credit union when you use social media. But people don't know that those same laws that govern the bank also govern your loan officers as well. And so the same rules and regulations that might apply to content that you put on your bank or credit union's Facebook page might also apply when you have a loan officer that's using their personal LinkedIn profile to conduct bank or credit union business. And in fact, there might be additional things that need to be put onto a loan officer's LinkedIn page, such as perhaps their MLO number or other types of disclosures in order to comply with the law. So, am I telling you that you should not have your loan officers use LinkedIn? Nope, because look, they need this in today's day and age to be competitive. But what I am telling you is that if your loan officers are using their LinkedIn profiles to promote or conduct bank business, but if you don't have the right policies, procedures, and training in place, you can be non-compliant and risk severe civil penalties for not governing your employees' social media use. So let me tell you what it is that you need. You're going to need three things if your loan officers are using their personal social media profiles to conduct bank business. The first are going to be guidelines, a policy or procedure in place that lets your loan officers know what they can and can't do on social media. As part of that, you might also have them to put certain types of disclosures that might be required on their LinkedIn profiles and send you their LinkedIn profiles or send you the content that they want to post to make sure it runs through the proper compliance channels, just like your marketing department does when they create an ad or a social media post for your financial institution. The second thing that you're going to need is the proper training. Your marketing department has largely been trained on what you can or can't do on social media, but have your loan officers receive that same type of training? If not, it can put your bank or credit union at risk. So in addition to having the right guidelines or policies, you also should have a training program that every loan officer must take prior to using their LinkedIn profile to conduct bank business. The third thing that you might need is to preserve their social media profiles. Banks are required under the Community Reinvestment Act to preserve all correspondence or all written correspondence that relates to the bank's community credit needs that they receive in any written form. And this form includes social media, not just on your bank's social media profiles, but anybody who is acting on behalf of the bank. And so if your loan officer is promoting the bank or conducting bank business, you need to preserve their social media profiles or preserve their posts in the very same way that you're also preserving content from your social media profiles too. That's what you're gonna need in order to make sure that your bank or credit union is protected from these social media legal risks. So how can you get started? Two things. First, just pick up the phone and give us a call here at the Social Media Law Firm. We'd be happy to evaluate your level of risk and figure out what types of policies, procedures, guidelines, and training that you need to empower your loan officers to take advantage of social media while still protecting your bank or credit union. And the second thing is you can visit financialfridays.co to download a free guide on how to protect your bank and credit union from other social media legal risks. I hope you find the guide helpful and this video too, and look forward to hearing from you soon.